Hello, my name's Casper and I'm the head chef here at Cabbage and Kings. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make pancakes for Pancake Day. So to start off with, we're going to take 100 grams of plain flour, stick it in a bowl, 2 eggs, crack it in gently. We're just going to mix those together gently so we don't get any lumps, and then it'll form a thick gloopy paste. So that we're going to add 300 ml of milk. And mix it together until it's smooth with no lumps. And there you have your finished pancake batter. Pour that into a jug so it's easy. So we'll take this over to the hobs now. So stage 2 of the pancake making is the most important part, the cooking. So you want to take yourself a non-stick frying pan and then just heat it gently, like so. Then we're just gonna add a little bit of oil, sunflower oil, vegetable oil will be fine, or even fry light if you're trying to be a little bit healthy. You want the oil to cover most of the bottom of the pan to avoid it sticking. So now we're just gonna test to see if our oil's nice and hot. So we're just gonna put a tiny little bit in just to see if it sizzles. So it is sizzling, so it's nearly ready. So take that a little bit out. Now we'll go in for the real thing. Turn the heat down a little bit now. Run a spatula around the edge, stop it sticking too much. And we just want to cook it until most of the moisture on the top has cooked. As you can see, it's pretty loose in the pan. I'm just going to make sure it's loose all the way underneath. When you can see it moving in the pan like that, you know it's loose all the way around. So, now for the fun bit. Now just cook the other side until it's golden brown. So, we're going to turn our pancake out onto the plate, like so. It's a bit plain on its own, so there's many toppings that you can have. The classic would be lemon and sugar, or something like golden syrup, or Nutella. If you're feeling something a little bit savoury, maybe some cheese and bacon. The choice is yours really, put on whatever you like, and there you have it.